Hello everyone, this is original Clawhammer Banjo tune I came up with for in honor of my dad's 75th birthday, which was just recently. Wrote it originally as a square dance tune and changed the timing around to play it a little bit as a waltz, and it turned out so nice as a waltz. I just decided to keep it as a waltz and go ahead and name it. So in honor of my dad's 75th birthday, we'll call it Waltz Around the Sun. And it's in double C, in original Clawhammer Banjo tune, Waltz Around the Sun. Anyway, still working on it a little bit, but sounds pretty good the way it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Been playing about 2 years is all, so be easy on me when you're critiquing. Thanks.